Aerodynamics is the manner in which air moves around things. Anything that moves through air will be reacting to aerodynamics. Anything that flies, be it birds, helicopters, airplanes, or a rocket blasting off, uses the principles of aerodynamics. As rockets launch into the sky, they utilize powerful aerodynamic forces to overcome gravity. Birds with their unique wing shapes expertly navigate the air, showcasing the balance of lift and drag essential for flight. Understanding aerodynamics involves studying how forces interact with different shapes. The intricate design of airplane wings maximizes lift, while helicopters must constantly adjust to maintain stability and control in the ever-shifting air currents. Curiosity about flight often begins in the classroom, where students explore the science of aerodynamics through hands-on projects. Meanwhile, gliders exemplify the beauty of flight, effortlessly riding the thermals without engines relying solely on aerodynamic design.